Kia ora e te whānau, ko Pairama tēnei e tuku mihi ana ki a koutou te hunga mātaki. We are here to check out and react to some more 5 minutes of fame videos. Ko te tuatahi ko Josh Taueki-Moore e waiatana ia I te waiata o Wage a War. I've never heard this song, so let's check it out.
Why don't you wage a war on me?
Whoa, get it in there!
Rain and thunder. Wage a war on me. Throw me under. Don't you follow me, playing hide and seek. 'Cause girl, I won't do you no wrong.
Oh, okay, I thought I was gonna pause! Because we'd be like that R&B rock with the grunt in there. It's like, when you can get that as a balance, hey, look at me like I'm some singing teacher. When you can balance that, so good, man. Holy. Haere tonu. Wait, this is making, I like this song. I'm gonna get fame for not knowing today. Hey, look up. How are you, brother? That was wicked. Oh, we're hiding up. I had to quickly pause it for a second. So called Manawa tēnei, and he is singing a song called Ultralight Beam, and it's giving me all the songs that I've never heard today. So this is quite cool. Getting educated.
But I'm looking for more. Somewhere I can feel safe.
Kakaha, bro.
In my holy war.
Oh, that's cool. Oh.
I'm just trying to keep my faith.
Wait, okay, pause. Who remembers that song Creep on the Floor? It went viral and it like he had the millionaire's range. His tone is giving me the same vibe as that. I just really needed to point that out.
But I'm looking for more. Somewhere I can feel safe. And
I like the cornrows.
war.
Wait, that's cool.
All we need is love.
Get it! Put te kai waiata whakamutinga ko Mymah tēnei e waiata ana I te waiata o Mymah. Haere tonu. I love this so much because it's probably one of my favourite all-time ever songs. I don't want to interrupt there. Ah, te reka hoki o te reo, waiata. Oh, ka. Oh, ka roho ai tōna ona kare aroko. Te, get it! He reo pai tēnei. He whakamutinga pai tēnei. Oh, rau e ngā kai waiata o te rangi nei. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Kia ora.